Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on our channel. Today we're going to be diving into a futuristic tool that's turning presentation creation on its head. Now, if you've ever spent hours tinkering with slides, trying to make them look just right, or if you've ever wished that creating a presentation could be as easy as snapping your fingers, well, you're in for a treat. Stick around because we are about to explore OceanDoc, an AI-powered marvel that's set to revolutionize how we think about presentations. So let's get straight into it. All right, let's picture this. You've got a big presentation coming up and the clock is ticking. Instead of scrambling through a mess of slides, OceanDoc steps in like your personal assistant, ready to transform your ideas into a polished presentation in no time. How, you may ask? Well, with OceanDoc, you can instantly generate slides outlines from a simple command or even from a document that you upload. Manual adjustment of the outline is fully supported too, so you're always in control. It's like magic, but real. One of the standout features of OceanDoc is its automated content generation. Imagine typing out a sentence or uploading a document and voila, you've got a slide outline ready to go. With full freedom to refine it as needed, obviously. And it doesn't stop just there. With a massive, ever-growing library of templates covering educational, business, and professional themes, you've got style and variety at your fingertips. Want to change the vibe? With one click, OceanDoc adapts your content to any layout, from minimalistic clean to bold infographics. Total flexibility. Now let's talk visuals. Before we jump into the next part, just look at this. Precise AI-generated illustrations, smooth data visualizations, and even smart slide-by-slide narration built right into your deck. It's not just functional, it looks and feels professionally made. OceanDoc generates entire slide decks in just a few minutes. Yes, you heard that right. And if you're wondering about those finer details like editing or image matching, the AI's got that handled too. Plus, with multilingual support in over 15 languages, including English, Malay, Thai, Indonesian, and traditional Chinese, it's built to serve a global audience. But what if you're not just about slides? OceanDoc also prepares presenter notes for you, generating precise speech scripts based on your slides. It's like having a built-in scriptwriter making sure you stay sharp, confident, and on point. So, if you're a student, educator, or business professional looking to up your presentation game, OceanDoc might just be the tool you've been waiting for. Imagine impressing your audience with sleek slides and flawless delivery, all with minimal effort from your side. It's efficiency and professionalism wrapped into one neat package. If you're curious to see OceanDoc in action, definitely make sure to head over to their website at OceanDoc.com and give it a whirl. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and join our community. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. Having said that, that'll be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next one.